Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna give you a free Woelfel inspired preset. So before we start, I'm gonna say you thank you guys and happy new year to all. Okay, let's get started. First I'm gonna import the preset. Preset link will be given below in the description, so check it out. And if you want the editing tutorial, I already show you guys. Check it on the video section. Okay, now copy setting from the preset. Copy setting. Now let's paste it on this photo. Okay, now I'm gonna fix the photo. I'm gonna color the temperature. Also bring down the saturation of orange. Let's do it. Yeah, it's perfect. It's looking pretty good. Let's paste to another photo. Here is the before and after. You guys can see the result. So let's try it out on a daylight portrait. Yeah, it's also doing a good job. It's give you a vivid look on a daylight portrait. You can use it on your daylight portrait. Let's paste it. Okay, the preset is doing pretty good job. So whose tutorial you want to see on my channel, comment below. Okay, we're done. You guys can change the settings of the preset if you want to, if your photos don't match with the photo. So okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.